Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying essentials so the scan works. First, confirm your Wi-Fi adapter supports monitor mode and promiscuous mode. That lets you capture packets. Then install or open the Hotspot scanner you chose, mobile app or desktop tool, and grant location and network permissions so the system can detect networks. Once done, switch the adapter into the correct mode and choose the appropriate interface. Make sure to select 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz bands as needed before starting the scan. You now run the detailed scan and refine results. Choose passive scanning to quietly collect beacon frames and metadata, or active scanning to probe for stronger signal readings. Passive is stealthier, while active yields more live data. Next, apply filters, SSID, BSID, channel number, or encryption type to focus on specific hotspots. While the scan runs, log signal strength in dBm, channel overlap, and client associations. This helps you map interference and prioritize which hotspot to evaluate further. You wrap up by exporting data and validating findings. Export the scan as CSV or JSON for deeper analysis. Then verify hotspot authenticity by checking MAC vendor lookups and captive portal behavior so you avoid rogue access points. If networks are missing or readings fluctuate, retry the scan with different channel hopping settings, move closer, or switch to a directional antenna. These actions reduce packet loss. Finally, make sure to document timestamps and locations so your results remain reproducible and actionable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.